What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the pick apart. My Ebrake Assembly, the cable snapped on me uh, about 4 or 5 days ago, so it's my first day off of work, so I'm down here picking it up. It's real quick, pretty simple. Once you get all of the center console and everything out, which I'll show you in my car later on, there's only 2 bolts right here, and then another, see if I can show you here. Jeez. 2 bolts, 1 and 2 bolts right there. Alright, the video is going to be a little bit fumbling around because I'm at the pick apart. But then once you get those 2 bolts off, you'll come under the car here, and you come under the car, and you have this part here that's connected to these here. This thing here you have to squeeze to get through this portion here. It's kind of a pain in the ass, so you just got to take your time and kind of get it. It feels like it's plastic, so I would take your time to make sure you don't break that, get frustrated. But once you get that disconnected, it simply just pulls right at it. Right. And this part right here, depending on where you look online, it is $300, I think, on like LMR. I found another like random part place that had it for a discount of 150 or so, but it's quite expensive. So I'm hoping that I get it from this place for I'm hoping 50 bucks. That would be nice. It'd be nice if it's cheaper, but all right. So I'm gonna roam around, see if I find anything else. But quick video, pick apart, find the cheap parts. All right, guys. So like I said, I was hoping to get the assembly for 50 bucks, but this is why it's good if you have the time and you have the know-how to find your local pick apart or U-Pool or whatever, and see what you can get. There was 3 cars, S197 body styles. 2 of them were messed up. The one I found was available, and $18. This part online, LMR has for, I want to say, just under 300. Again, I did find another website, kind of an offshoot website after searching for so long, that had it on discount for 150. But 100, 300, 150, or 18 bucks. It needs a little bit of cleanup. It's got a couple of scratches and things on there, but I mean, my car is, what, 15 years old now? I'm okay with a couple of scratches. I'll clean it up and it'll work fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back. I gotta actually go to Harbor Freight and get some tools. I'm cleaning up my garage so I can start doing more videos, but this is just a really quick video. There's tons of video online about how to take them apart. As you can see, my car is already apart. I even did a video. I put a new radio in the car. That's the Auto Pro 6 or whatever it's called. So I might put up a video of that, but there's already guys that have videos of that. If anything, I might just explain the wiring. But right now I'm noticing that my door speakers, these ones here, if you can see my hand, if you have the Shaker 500 or 1000, you have those door speakers. I don't think the V6s have them, but those aren't on. I haven't used my radio. I've been using my earphones for probably 2 to 3 years because everything is Bluetooth for me. So I don't even know if those work before the radio or not. So I gotta figure that out. But I'm rambling. I got a new gear shift somewhere in this car also. I got from Amazon. I got this new here that I need to talk about, eBay special that I'm not very happy about. A few new things, man. I got to start putting up some videos and show you what I got, but this is just a quick pick apart day. I just saved myself, whether you want to look at LMR, 300 bucks, random website online, 150, just by taking the time out, going and checking out the pick apart. You should do too. Have a good one.